everyone, it's Art from Man Carving. Just an update on a job. So now we're going to start making a drawers for the kitchen. We're making, and we're going to use this dovetail jig to create dovetail fronts. So if you like an in-depth video, I could make it separately, but I'll just film the process of it, and hope you're gonna enjoy it, and we'll catch up in the next video. Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carving. Just an update on the job. We have done the drawers, as you can see. All the drawers been done. Now what we need to concentrate on is drawer fronts. We are also building a wall cabinet here in the same style as that is. So now we're gonna finish the facing plates, end panels, doors, etc. And then plinths as well. So hopefully next week there will be a bit more finished sort of than this week. We also got to work on a bar, which we will do after all that is done, so painters can start painting. But that's how it looks at the moment. Yeah, we fit appliances in as well, and yeah, we're getting there, so it's all coming together. So yeah, hope you've been enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.
this shit up. Turn it up.
Hi everyone, it's Artist from N Carpentry. Just an update on a job. So we've pretty much done our draw fronts, I mean, as you can see. We're waiting for the pull-out bin mechanism. So got these left to do, this side. Then a pull-out bin's there. We need to put some dummy draw fronts and couple doors to do, 3 there and 2 there. And the last thing what we're gonna have to do is the bar. We're waiting on material to arrive for that, which will be done in a walnut and walnut veneer on the back to finish it off. So yeah, it's getting there. I hope you've been enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.